Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can withdraw money from PocketOption. So the first thing that you have to do is to log into your account. So you just have to access your PocketOption account. So just open the PocketOption application or website and log in with your credentials. And then you just have to make sure that you're using the correct email and password. Now once you're logged in, you will see your account dashboard with the current balance displayed at the top. So just ensure that you have sufficient funds available for withdrawal. Next is to navigate to withdrawal section. So just click on your profile icon or account menu in the top right corner. And then from the drop-down menu, just select withdrawal or cashier. So from there, you will be redirected to the withdrawal page where you can see available payment methods and your withdrawal history. Now, next is to choose the payment method. So just choose your preferred withdrawal method from the available options like a bank card, e-wallet, cryptocurrency, and etc. So each method has different processing times and minimum amounts. So the popular option includes Visa or the MasterCard, Skrill, NetTeller, or Bitcoin. So just select the one that suits you best. Next is to enter the withdrawal details. So just enter the withdrawal amount that you want to transfer and make sure that it meets the minimum withdrawal requirement. So that's usually $10 to $50 depending on the method that you use. So just enter your payment details like your card number, your wallet address, and etc. So if not already saved, you have to double check all the information for accuracy before proceeding. And lastly is to verify and confirm. So just review all the withdrawal details carefully. So you may need to complete identity verification if it's your first withdrawal, and then click the confirm withdrawal or submit to process your request. So you will receive a confirmation email. So the processing time varies. For e-wallets, that's instant, or it could be 24 hours. For cards, that's 1 day to 5 days. And for crypto, it depends, so it varies. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!